In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate citations into your documents. So let's dive right in and simplify this seemingly complex task. To get started, open up your Microsoft Word file where you want to add footnotes or endnotes. It's essential to have your document ready, as the process involves inserting references that correspond to specific text sections within your file. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find a series of tabs, such as Home, Insert, and others. What we're interested in today is the References tab. Clicking on this tab reveals a dedicated section for creating and managing footnotes. Once you're in the References tab, you'll notice a subsection explicitly titled Footnotes. It's here that all the magic happens. To further explore your options, look for a small arrow in the corner of this section. This is known as the dialog box launcher. Clicking it will pop open a variety of options for customizing how your footnotes and endnotes will appear in your document. Now that the dialog box is open, take a moment to explore your options. You can choose whether to insert a footnote or an endnote, depending on where you want your citation to appear, either at the bottom of the page or at the end of your document. Feel free to experiment with the number format too, as Microsoft Word offers a variety of them. Plus, you can adjust the numbering to restart at each new section within your document or to continue consecutively throughout. Once you've made your selections, it's time to actually insert the notes. Simply click on the Insert button available within the dialog box. This action adds a footnote or endnote to the specified location in your document. Now you can type your citation or note, and Word will automatically format it according to the choices you made earlier. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully added a footnote or endnote to your document. It may seem like a lot at first, but once you go through these steps, it becomes second nature. As you work more with footnotes and endnotes, you'll appreciate how they help organize your information and uphold the quality and integrity of your work. So remember, Microsoft Word offers these robust tools to help create professional, precise documents with ease.